at Kessaku, the goal or our vision was actually very difficult to achieve. We wanted to create the best-in-class building and product, not only never seen before in Bangalore, but globally acknowledged as one of the best residential developments. I think it's really come together fabulously. We've used best-in-class architects, landscape designers, and I think the experience does wow even from the macro sense, the way the layout, the spatial planning, and even every minute detail has been looked into. And what's exciting is that the name Kessaku, I think we really do justice to, which is the art of perfection.
Welcome to Phoenix Kessaku, a masterpiece in the heart of Bangalore. Featuring one home per floor, every sky bungalow at Kessaku is accessed by an elevator, which opens up into a private foyer and massively spacious living and dining areas, perfect to host parties that are the talk of the town. Every element within has been crafted like a piece of art, keeping your lifestyle in mind. From the generous family entertainment lounge to the sweeping sky decks with incredible vistas that can be used as extended party areas. Your home is built to entertain, as it also features a large dining area, ideal for cocktail dinners, and an attached deck with spectacular views. Another highlight is the intricately designed powder room. And adjacent to the living area is a bedroom with an attached bath, perfect for a younger member of the family. Your sky bungalow also comes equipped with a spacious kitchen, as well as separate area for your dishwasher, washing machine, and other equipment. There is also a separate staff room for your live-in help. Your home also features a cozy study that can double up as a home office or bedroom, and a spacious prayer room. Besides this is the incredibly spacious master suite too, that opens up to stunning views and abundant light, featuring a walk-in closet with ample storage space, and an exquisitely designed spacious bath suite with exquisite detailing that opens up to flood the room with light. There's even something for the kids, playful bedrooms with loads of space and an attached bathroom. And finally, the highlight of this home is the glorious master suite with a wraparound deck offering incredible views, a spacious attached bath suite, and separate his and her walk-in vanity rooms with more storage space than you'd ever need. With all this and so much more, you can be sure you're coming home to the life you deserve. Come home to the masterpiece. Come home to Phoenix Kessaku.